For sale, for sale, for sale. 59 square meter two-bedroom with balcony at the Amaryllis, Quezon City. Developed by DMCI. Located at 19th floor facing BGC and Makati Skyline. Selling price 6.5 million net of taxes. Building features, grand lobby, balconies for residential units, single-loaded corridors, garden atriums, amenities, arrival court, pool, lap pool and kiddie pool, gazebo or cabana, landscape gardens, lounge area, sky park, hotel-like lobby, function hall, fitness gym, sky lounge, landscape atrium, shower area,